Navi are going to shrug and say, well, you know, one pistol round one and we're home free.
Right.
Right now, Shroud double down. And in fact, they will double AWP with Shroud playing one of them.
That's just shot on the left right now after a bit of a wallbang coming out from Guardian, I think. Not sure if that's what caught out Freakazoid. But
He's in the angles.
Freakazoid, yeah, he's taking a lot of damage. And Edward showing that he's actually got a bit of a wallbang there to try and hit the top of the screen. Hold close to his main up there. Might take a little bit of damage. Yeah, Na'Vi, they've definitely decided to slow it down. And they're really, I mean, it started off with them playing a little aggro Ivy and actually trying to get in Shroud's face. Now they've just kind of elected to just back off over there, hold very far back. Cloud9 are the ones getting aggressive on that part of the map. And once again, they're just going to be, showing some interest in that B site. They have shown a decent variety, Na'Vi, switching it up between B and A. So they haven't really been focusing on just the one site. Cloud9 have to stay honest, basically. They can't try and cheat over onto the A site, keep 4 players there, and just leave the Soul Man